Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today, we will talk about a very important topic. How to think in English. Many learners around the world want to speak English faster and more naturally, but they often face one big problem. They translate every word from their own language into English. This makes speaking slow and sometimes confusing. Translation takes time, and it makes conversation difficult. So how can we stop translating and start thinking directly in English? Let us learn step by step in a very simple way. First, let us ask, why is thinking in English so important? When you think in English, you do not need to use your first language. Your brain becomes faster. Your sentences become smoother, and you can speak without stopping too much. Also, you will feel more confident when you meet new people or when you join conversations with friends, colleagues, or classmates. Thinking in English is one of the most powerful skills to become fluent. Step 1. Is to start very small. Do not try to create long and difficult sentences in your head in the beginning that will make you tired. Instead, begin with simple single words. For example, if you see a chair, just say in your mind, chair. If you drink water, say water. If you feel happy, say happy. These are very short, but they are powerful, because your brain is practicing English directly without translation. This is the first important step, thinking in single English words. Step 2 is to move from words to short sentences. Once you feel comfortable with words, try to create small sentences in your head. For example, I am hungry. The sun is bright. She is my friend. The book is interesting. These sentences are simple, but they give your brain practice to connect words together. The more you do this, the faster your brain becomes, and very soon you will be able to think in English naturally. Step 3 is to talk to yourself in English now. Do not worry. This is not strange or crazy. It is actually one of the best ways to practice language when you are walking, cooking, or cleaning. Describe what you are doing. Say, I am cooking rice. Say, I am walking to the bus stop. Say, I am washing the dishes. When you do this every day, you are training your brain to stay in English mode, and little by little, it will become automatic. Step 4 is to stop translating from your language. At first, it is normal to translate, but slowly you must train your mind to use English directly. For example, instead of thinking agua means water, just think water instead of thinking bonjour means hello. Just think hello. This is the way children learn language. They do not translate in their head, they connect words directly with meaning. And that is exactly what you need to practice. Step 5 is to surround yourself with English. This means you must bring English into your daily life. Change the language of your phone to English. Watch movies or YouTube videos. In English, listen to English songs or podcasts. Read easy English books or short articles on the internet. The more English you hear and see, the easier it becomes to think in English. Your brain will start to choose English automatically without extra effort. Now let us practice together. I will ask you some simple questions. Try to answer in English even if your answer is very short. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to think in English. Ready? What did you eat for breakfast today? What are you doing right now? What will you do after watching this video? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? What do you usually do on the weekend? Very good. Now let us practice again with a different type of question. I will describe a situation and you think about your answer in English. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. What would you like to order? Imagine you are meeting a new friend. How do you introduce yourself? Imagine you are at the bus stop and the bus is late. What are you thinking about when you imagine these things and answer in English? Your brain is practicing thinking in English without translation. Let us review the steps again. First, start with simple words, then make short sentences. Then talk to yourself in English. Then stop translating and finally surround yourself with English. If you do these steps every day, even for a few minutes, your brain will start to think in English naturally, and you will feel the difference in your speaking and listening skills. Before we finish, I want to give you some extra tips. Number 1. Be patient. Learning to think in English takes time, but every day you practice, you are improving. Number 2. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you think in English, do not try to be perfect, just try to be clear. Number 3. Make it fun. Use English in activities you enjoy, like watching your favorite series, singing along with music, or talking with friends online. The more fun you make it, the faster you will learn. Great job, everyone. You are learning step by step, and you are getting closer to fluency. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is practice every day. So do not give up, keep going, and you will see progress. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Speaking and Listening Club for more practice. See you in the next lesson.